guys, welcome back to another video at Music Twins, and today we're going to be baking some pumpkin muffins. But first, make sure to subscribe and like that like button and press the notification button so you can never miss a video. So let's get started. So this is the mix. I put it in a different bowl so I can combine all of these stuff, and then I can put it in here, and then I will put in the pan. So let's put the eggs first. So let's crack this first egg. Okay, I cracked the first egg. Okay, the first egg is in. Now let's put the second egg. Oh, the egg is gonna come out too. Okay, now let's mix it. So we better mix it good. Okay, better have no yellow, no bad. Okay, so I'm almost done mixing it. Okay, I'm done mixing it. Now let's put the milk right in. And then let's put the butter. So let's mix it now. Ooh, it's getting kind of white and yellow, so let's mix it all up. Okay. This might take a while. Okay, now we're done mixing it. We're gonna put it in the other mix. Okay. Ooh, it's all covered up. Okay, let's mix it now. Ooh, kind of like dough, but it's not gonna be dough because there's water. Well, it's not water, but we're gonna combine it. Okay. It better be slow, or then it will go out of the bowl, and we don't want that to happen. So let's mix it. We better mix it good. It's kind of forming. We better. Oh, it's some of it spilled. Okay. Okay. It smells really good. So it's turning really, really brown. I need to get all the powder. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's still some powder. It smells like a pumpkin spice. So it's almost done. This might take a while though, so okay, so it's now done. And now we're gonna be putting it in the pan. So let's get the pan. I got the pan out. I better put all the other ingredients over here. Okay, so this is the muffin. It actually smells really good. So now we're gonna be decorating it. Let's put some vanilla. I don't really want some strawberry. Okay. Oh, looks so yummy. Okay, let's decorate it. Okay. Let's do that. almost done. Just put a little bit more. Okay. Okay, I am almost done. Let's do that. Okay, so this is the frosting. Oh, I forgot to put some over here on the side. Okay, now let's put some rainbow sugar. Okay. Okay, I'm putting some rainbow sugar. I know you can't see this, but like, okay, I'm putting some rainbow sugar. And this was the finishing product. So this is what it looks like. It really looks good. Okay, I'm gonna try one bite. Let's try it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Tastes so good. Tastes so good. It tastes like pumpkins. So that's all for the video, and yeah, bye.